Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we're going to be taking a look at our application Autopost with Facebook. So what we're going to be doing actually is connecting a page from our Facebook profile, and then we're going to be able to create auto posts for that page and also be able to be scheduling those posts and configuring and editing those posts in your page. So basically, first we're gonna go over here. Let's close this out. Let's go into apps and let's go into auto post. So over here is starting up the application for us, and right when we come in we can go into account manager or we can go to schedule your posts. So first we're gonna go in account manager, and here's where you're gonna connect your Facebook page. So in this page you guys can see I have 2 accounts already. Okay, and this first account, it was a test account, and I do not have any pages in this profile. So as you can see, if we click add new page, it would say no pages associated with this account. And then I added my second account, and I do have a page called Builderall, which I have already linked. So if I click over here, it will says all pages of this account have already been imported. Okay, so this is my account over here, and what I can do now is go into schedule for this account or for this page. So we're gonna click here, and over here guys, today is the 27th. So as you guys can see, there's a little red dot around that number, and we had a couple of tests over here in the 24th. So right now is 2:41 p.m. We're gonna schedule a post for our page. So let's click, I just clicked here on the number 27, and then I can name the rule. Let's put tutorial. Account is the account Builderall that I've been using. Over here I'm gonna put 42, and here I'm gonna say hello, this is just a test. Here we can add an image or video. I'm gonna add the rule here guys, and it's 2:41 p.m. Over here in our page guys, we're gonna check now our post. So it's now 2:42. Let's reload the page. So over here guys, as you can see, it says just now, and it says hello, this is just a test, and this corresponds to the message that we set over here in our schedule. So as you guys can see, hello, this is just a test. Okay, and we can also click here to hide sent events. When we hide sent events, they're not going to be here in our schedules anymore. So the 2 events that I had on the day 24th and the one that just happened are not showing. Okay, so I can actually go back over here, uncheck that, and they will be back right here. Okay, so this already happened. It is now 2:43. As you guys can see, it worked, and that is pretty much how you set up your auto post tool with your Facebook account. So let's remember, here in the main page we can go to account manager, and here you will have all the Facebook profiles that you have linked. I connected my Facebook profile and I didn't have any pages, so I went ahead and connected my other profile which contained 1 page, and there I went, linked the new page here, and went into schedule so I can set up rules for the auto post. So that's it guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.